Are you interested in Korean skincare but also kind of find it confusing? Toners, serums, essences, and mists. It can be challenging to figure out what it all is and where it belongs in your routine. So in today's video, we will be tackling some of these concepts and more. So stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Jane and this is Station Jaya. This is a channel all about looking and feeling your best. So if that sounds like your type of thing, then you are in the right place. In my last video, we talked about the first step after cleansing your face, which is to apply your toner or toners. And today we will be going over the second step, which is to apply your essences and serums. I'll also give you some important information about each of these products to help you really understand what it does for your skin and how to maximize your results. Okay, so picture this. You've cleansed your canvas and now it's time to add all those magical touches. Enter the essences. It's like a welcome mat for your skincare party, setting the stage for everything that follows. Initially, I was confused about how essences differ from toners because they do seem incredibly similar and often are combined. In fact, one of my very favorite essences is a combo essence serum, and I'll tell you about that a little later in this video. An essence is typically a more concentrated and often slightly thicker product than a traditional toner and comes after the toner step in your skincare routine. It's designed to provide an extra layer of hydration and address specific skincare concerns. Essences usually contain a blend of active ingredients that target issues such as fine lines, dullness, uneven skin tone, or elasticity. They are formulated to penetrate deeper into the skin to deliver these active ingredients. Essences are seen as a step to add a boost of nutrients and hydration to the skin, contributing to a healthier complexion over time. As promised, I'm going to let you in on my holy grail essence, and if you've seen any of my other videos, this will come as no surprise to you. It is the Numbuzin No. 3 Super Glowing Essence Toner. This is a combo product that combines essence and toner steps, but it does not cut anything out from the skincare benefits. The No. 3 Super Glowing Essence Toner has been shown to clinically boost skin radiance over 52% in just 2 weeks, and along with that, attacking skin texture, enlarged pores, skin dryness, it goes on and on. This single toner essence made me fall in love with Korean skincare, so in my humble opinion, it absolutely belongs in your routine. I go more in depth about the amazing No. 3 Super Glowing Essence Toner in this video right here, and I will leave a link to it at the end of this video, so make sure to stay tuned until the end. I want to make sure that I give you guys as much value as possible. So here is a list of the most popular Korean essences and serums available on Amazon. They are always topping the Amazon bestsellers list, so feel free to take a screenshot, and of course I will leave all of the links to these and more in the description box below. Next up are serums. These little vials of wonder are like action heroes of your routine. They swoop in with targeted ingredients, tackling dark spots, vanquishing wrinkles, and addressing skin smoothness. Serums have got a solution for every skincare saga, so you may need a few in your collection to address all of your different skincare concerns. There are so many different Korean serums on the market. You need to think first about what you really want to achieve. Is it skin smoothness? Is that your primary concern? Hyperpigmentation? Is your skin dehydrated? Do you need to focus on moisture? Or maybe it's a combination of all of these and more. I'd like to let you guys know that this is an unsponsored video because I'm about to dive in to my love for Numbuzin, and they have absolutely no idea I'm making this video today, but I did want to tell you about this brand. This brand makes it so easy because they organize their products by numbers, and those numbers are correlated to different different skincare concerns. The number one line is usually very gentle and perfect for acne prone and sensitive skin. The number 3 line is all about elasticity and smoothness, and the number 5 is for brightening and dark spots. I highly suggest going on to Amazon, to their storefront, and checking out all of the different products and start thinking about a routine from there. My favorite serum for skin clarity and smoothness is the Numbuzin number 3 Skin Softening Serum. It's a fantastic lightweight serum that leaves my skin clear, smooth, and hydrated. But I do have a new serum that is really blowing me away, and I will be doing a dedicated video really soon. It is the number 5 Plus Vitamin Concentrated Serum by Numbuzin. This serum is so brightening and so smoothing. It is a game changer. And the 5 Plus definitely deserves its own video, and I promise to have that, guys, for you very, very soon. Okay, my angels, it is time for a quick recap on where all of these products belong and in what order. The first step after you cleanse your face is the toner step. Then you will want to apply your essence of choice. Of course, you can combine that step like I talked about earlier with a duo product like the Numbuzin number 3 Super Glowing Essence Toner. After your toner and essence, that is when you want to apply your serums. Think of it this way. Remember when you were a kid and you were layering different colors to create an amazing drawing? Well, skincare is a bit like that. Essences, serums, and toners work in perfect harmony, creating a masterpiece. The toners restore pH, essences hydrate, and serums target. Together, they build the building blocks that make up beautiful glass skin that we all want. You guys, one more crucial note that I want you to remember is that skincare isn't just a routine, it is a self-care ritual. It is you time, so embrace each step, celebrate the process. There are no mistakes, and you guys are absolutely on the right path, and I am so happy that we are on this skincare journey together. And that is a wrap on our essences and serums escapade. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join our skincare community and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss a beat. Catch you guys on the next video. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.